Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Mazda BT-50 XT dual cab ute, stock reference number 5056. This shape runs from the 9th month 2015 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P5 AT 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front four-wheel drive transmission. P5 AT 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left power door mirror. Not much has survived off this vehicle. Left tailgate garnish. Driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, four-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.